Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to access stock images in Adobe Express. This is incredibly useful when you need high-quality visuals for your projects without spending hours searching across multiple platforms. Adobe Express provides a vast library of professional stock photos right at your fingertips, making your design process much smoother and faster. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on the Adobe Express homepage where all your creative tools await. Now look for the button that says Start New Design and click on it. From the options that appear, select Custom Size. This gives you the flexibility to create a canvas that fits your exact specifications. You'll see fields where you can adjust the width and height of your canvas, set these dimensions according to your project needs, then click Create New File. This will open up your blank workspace where the magic happens. Once your canvas is ready, direct your attention to the left panel of the screen. You'll notice a plus icon, which is your gateway to adding various elements to your design. Click on this plus icon, and from the menu that appears, select Media. This is where Adobe Express houses all its visual assets, including photos, videos, and graphics. In the upper left corner of the Media section, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Photos tab to access the stock image library. This opens up a world of professional photography ready for you to use. Simply browse through the collection, and when you find a stock photo that catches your eye and fits your project, click on it to add it directly to your canvas. Now, if you want to add more images or search for something specific, the process is just as straightforward. Head back to the left panel and click the plus icon again. Select Media once more, then click on the Photos tab. This time you'll notice a search bar at the top of the panel. Type in keywords that describe what you're looking for. For example, if you need imagery of a beach at sunset, type beach sunset into the search bar and press enter. Adobe Express will instantly filter through thousands of stock images and show you relevant results that match your search terms. From these search results, you can select any stock images you want to add to your project by simply clicking on them. Each image you select will be placed onto your canvas, ready for you to resize, reposition, and incorporate into your design. And there you have it. You now know how to access and use stock images in Adobe Express. This feature saves you time and ensures your designs always have that professional polish. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.